How to draw an isometric kitchen storage cabinet. First, setting your canvas. Create a new layer and set it to Drawing Assist. I start from the top and then at the front now. Drawing like a rectangular box. Create a new layer and add the cabinet handles. You can draw just one and duplicate it and move it to another side. Next, create a new layer and add a horizontal cabinet handle. You can draw just one and again duplicate it and move it to another side. Adding an extra cabinet. I just duplicate the first one and then move it to the left side. After that, erase the part that I don't want, and we will adjust it a little bit. It's done.